I have two of these PAT set up. There's one on currently which is spilling this blue light everywhere, and I'm using that to create an edge light around my subject. Okay, so first things first, these lights are great. I really love it. I just want to get this out of the way, but you can stick to the end of the video and then you'd see how I was able to put it together to create these amazing images. Today, what we're doing is some color gel photography, and that is because Pixel sent me two brand new lights. This is the PAT video light. It has a yoke system, so you can angle this light any way you want. It's made of metal, and I read the caution over here that says hot surface, so it's possible that this light will get hot to the touch, especially if you're powering at, let's say, 100% over a very long period. So just be careful of that. At the back, since we're here, we have some buttons. If you want to control the light directly, you can do that. But it also has a remote. I'll talk a little bit more about that. But in the front, you still have some control if you want to control, the spread of the light. You have these barn doors. But on the surface itself, we don't see the individual LED lights. So I'm suspecting that we're going to have a very even dispersion of light. This light comes with a remote, but I feel like that's also another thing that you need to remember to carry along if you're going to use this light for productions and stuff. But it has one cool feature that I love, which is the Bluetooth app, and it gives you even more control over that. Because traditionally, if you want to create gels, like with photography and stuff, you need these types of gels. I've used that on my channel before. You have to pick individual colors out of these, create some test shots, figure out which one is going to work for you and stuff like that. If you want to change the colors, you have to swap them out. But this is a full RGB light. I'm referring to the Pixel light. It's a full RGB light. And so if you want to change colors, it's just by, moving around in the app. And that's one cool thing. It also has some preset gels in there from Lee. If I tap on this, for example, you can see the color changes really quickly. If I tap on that, it does the same thing. It also has some special effects. In the app, there's this camera tab. When I click on that, it's going to open my camera, and you can see I can pick, the color. Tap on the yellow, and it's changed the color to match that. Life goes on. I'm done praying for you. As this mic on, I have to break the silence, 'cause words are stronger than all alliance. I let you kiss me if you say you miss me. I just wanna feel alive. So suck it up. If you can't ignore me, I live alive. You should record this. Look at me flying, so satisfying. See you bluffing when you act like nothing. You're not better, I have two of these PAT set up. There's one on currently which is spilling this blue light everywhere, and I'm using that to create an edge light around my subject. I'm going to turn on the main light now. This is also like an opposite color to the blue. That's warm, so we have like this cinematic color scheme going on, and we have our subject being illuminated by our first warm light, which is the key light, and then we have the second one, rim light blue, and those two colors are going to mix in the background to give us, like another mix of beautiful colors in the back. And I just added this reflector down here to bounce up some light back onto our subject to lift up the shadows. So first of all, I'm going to take a test shot just with the rim light so you guys can see exactly how that is. So yeah, it's pretty dark. I'm at 1/160 f1.4 and ISO 125. I'll just take a test shot, and now you can see how blue the entire room is looking. Let's turn on the main light and actually even turn off the rim light. Okay, so taking a picture, you can see how saturated this color is. We have a rich warm tone going on, which is really beautiful. Ooh, I really love that red. I'm even tempted to shoot a lot of these red images. Let me just take one more. Right now I'm adding the reflector, but when I start shooting, I would, just get rid of that. Okay, let's turn on the rim light and let's see what the combination does. Okay, just one more. Awesome. So now all we have to do is work with Chris and capture as many amazing frames as possible. So that's what we're going to be doing right now. Ooh, that's it. Chin up still. Yes. Ooh, yes. Relax your fingers. Yes, that's it. Good, 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 good. Perfect. One more. Eyes here. Eyes to the camera. Yes. And the light is not hitting your face. I like the way you were upright and then just, yeah, that's it, that's it. And chin up. Amazing.
No use in sitting down like that. No use in shutting up like that.